Welcome, in front of me I have EssentielB HeYou 60, and today I'll show you how you can change your lock screen wallpaper. So take a look, there is mine, and if you want to change it you have to click and hold your home screen, pick wallpapers, and for example we are going to change for this one. So click on it, and then you can pick the home screen or the lock screen. So we have to touch the to preview on the lock screen. So as you can see right now it will be set up. Click done, and right now as you can see our lock screen wallpaper has changed. And that's how it looks. If you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.